to my YouTube channel. My name is Tepiso, for those of you who are new. And thank you so much for those who are returning to watch my stuff. Like, it's really encouraging and comforting. Enough blabbing. We are going to spend a day with me, and on today's agenda, I'm going to the salon. I've already prepared myself. I brush my teeth, wash my face and stuff. My gag is I don't have a good experience with saloons around my area. It's either they don't know how to braid, or they just braid. It's something that I don't want. I was at home. I feel like I should have just braided at home, do whatever at home, do my hair at home to avoid such dramas. But I also needed to be one with my family, and yeah. So I'm going to braid my hair. Though I'm nervous, but let's do this. Okay, let me show you the state of my hair. This is my hair. The length is proper, but honey, hairline this December, it does need and glue on my hairline, so I'm paying for it. The consequences of having glue the whole time. Hairline loss. The weeks are convenient, but long term. Okay, let me make my bed and change into normal clothes and take off the pajamas, and then we're good to go. All right, peace. Hey, I have a shoe. It's my bed. I don't have a headboard. We listen, we watch, we don't judge. Hello to my YouTube channel, to my people on YouTube. What? Why? You must support me. I don't want. Yeah, it's always your siblings that hate you. Okay, I look weird. Oh, I am tired of combing this hair. Like, it's painful. A little bit, not a lot. But it's so early in the morning, and I was waking up by grass. Hey, this thing is annoying, but afraid. Can't the engineers make something that is soundproof, so we are not tortured? Okay, all done. Let's bounce. I'm not gonna eat anything. I have a problem with my phone. There's no YouTube video I watched, or there's no YouTube video I haven't watched trying to fix this. Like, this phone is my life. It takes 2 SIM cards. I need it, but anyone with a suggestion on how to fix it, hit me up. Yes, this is my whole outfit for the day. Okay. Bye. Okay, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. And I know what is crusty. I said, okay, these people are annoying me that my thing is crusty. Okay. So I stay in town, so there's a lot of salons around, so I'm just gonna go with what my gut tells me. But I hate it that I don't have my person to go to. I don't have a go-to person in terms of doing my hair, but it's fine. You guys, it's blazing hot. Like, it's so hot. So hot. It's 9 o'clock, but it feels like it's 12. Oh. Nah, personally, I don't like summer or the hot season. I'm a winter babe through and through. This heat, I don't know if I should take off my skin. What should I do? It's so hot. Okay, let's keep walking. So they're cutting the grass by the side of the road, the pavements. Yeah, that's why the thing has been going on for like 2 days already. And I'm like, and they finished? Can do the cutting on the side of the road. Yeah. Okay, I'm still walking. I think I'm 2 robots away or something. Then I should be finding something. There's a room around, but if I'm just gonna speak to my God, as mentioned, yeah. Back home to say I'm tired is an understatement. Yeah, catch up with you guys when I get home. Hey guys, it's me again. I just woke up from the nap after the salon appointment, as I was tired. And yo guys, angangi like a size. It's so painful, yo. Like, I feel like my head is open. Oh, it's painful. But yeah, everything was painful, from the washing of my hair. It was so painful, to the braiding. But it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad considering where I come from. Yeah. So the braid is not what I wanted. Like, it's not what I showed her in the picture. But I feel like it's decent. It's decent. And I can live with it. At least maybe I can just give her another chance next time and do something else. Hey, so I'm going to make something to eat, because so Yeah, I wanted to sleep. I was so tired. So I was just gonna have something to eat a little bit and then start cooking. Yeah, and I'll be done with my day. Yeah. I'm the problem, ne? Because whenever I look at myself in the mirror, it's the more I don't like this hairstyle. Hmm. Clearly, I'm thinking, oh, because I have a weird shaped head, so. And my face, like, um, certain hairstyles look better. So, as yes, or guess, Jajana, give me wrong. Marangi but it's better. At least it's nicely done. The problem is just the shape of my head, but that's a me issue. It's not a hairstyle issue. Okay. Okay. Ga di monate. Done eating. It's time to tidy up. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Hi guys, we've come to the end of our vlog. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I really appreciate your support, and the comments in the comment section, they're so encouraging. Thank you a million times. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share if you can with your friends and your family. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making this, shooting this content for you guys. I love you guys. Peace. Yeah, I'm sweaty. I'm gonna take a quick shower and then I'm off to bed. Thank you guys again. Thank you